In a lush prehistoric valley, Dino emerges from its shell, its bright green scales shimmering in the sunlight. The baby dinosaur, with large, innocent eyes, looks around in wonder. Surrounded by towering trees and colorful flora, Dino chirps softly. Dino waddles towards the clear, sparkling river, his thirst guiding his every step. In a moment of clumsy misjudgment, Dino tumbles into the cool embrace of the river. Bella, the gentle brachiosaurus, extends her long neck, a beacon of hope in Dino's watery plight. With a gentle scoop, Bella lifts Dino from the river, saving him from his accidental swim. In the lush forest, Dino joins a game of hide-and-seek with the other young dinosaurs. Struggling to keep up with the others because of his small size, Dino perseveres. Giggling, Dino finds a hiding spot behind a giant fern. A deep rumbling shakes the earth beneath Dino and his friends, stirring anxiety in their hearts. A towering plume of smoke erupts from the volcano's mouth, painting the sky with dread. Fear flickers in their eyes, yet an unspoken camaraderie strengthens their resolve. United by curiosity and courage, they cautiously approach the ominous mountain. Dinosaurs halt at the mouth of a dimly lit cave, the air heavy with the reek of sulfur. A cluster of small animals huddle, trapped and terrified, their fear palpable. Dino's eyes reflect a steely resolve as he steps into the darkness. He guides the frightened creatures through the rocky labyrinth, his voice a soothing balm. Each step is measured, each word a promise of safety. As Dino navigates the perilous path, he leads them towards the light, ensuring each one escapes the cavern's grasp. One by one, they emerge blinking into the sunlight, their ordeal finally over. Dino watches, his heart swelling as the last of the small animals steps into the sunlight. The volcano roars to life, casting a pall of smoke and ash across the prehistoric sky. Yet, against this backdrop of destruction, life finds solace as the dinosaurs and other creatures remain untouched, their forms serene against the chaos. Dino stands tall, celebrated as a hero by all who inhabit the valley. A joyful dance erupts, filling the valley with movement and sound, a vibrant expression of gratitude and relief. The valley pulses with life, a vibrant dance of gratitude swirling around Dino. The eruption's fury fades as the valley rejoices, Dino's bravery echoing through the ages. In the heart of the celebration, Dino is honored as a symbol of courage and selflessness. The valley's inhabitants unite, their dance a testament to Dino's heroic spirit. Against the skyline, Dino sits on the hill, surrounded by the colors of the setting sun. A wave of pride and gratitude washes over Dino,